big mistake, Dean. Vic said, why? What I'm making, Dean said. But I'm making it standing next to my friend, defending his freedom. If that's a mistake, I'll live with it. Are you going to apologize to Sammy? Or am I calling Jack Andrader to stop the show and refund everyone's money? The silence was deafening. Vic's crew was watching their boss, waiting to see what he'd do. The audience was frozen. This wasn't entertainment. This was real. This was two men, one connected to organized crime, one connected to nothing but his principles, in a standoff over respect.
Si kuya mo hindi pa lumalabas, sabi yun.
Finally, Vic stood up.
Isang beses
Kabalik na.
siya lumabas. Ay, lumabas siya kanina, di ba?
Watching this unfold with an expression of disbelief. Vic's face was tight with anger, but he was trapped. Dean had outmaneuvered him. Refusing to apologize now would make Vic look petty and cruel in front of 2,000 people. It would create exactly the kind of negative publicity that was bad for business. I apologize, Vic said, the words forced out through clenched teeth. It was inappropriate. Louder, Dean said, so everyone can hear you. Vic's jaw clenched. He raised his voice. I apologize to Mr. Davis. It was inappropriate and disrespectful. It won't happen again. Dean turned to Sam for the show.
So,
Or you can leave.
ito ay papabless natin sa simbahan.
You'll all be escorted out.
Wala nang laman to.
Victor,
Dadagdag ko na lang.
never hear that you've treated any
Dito.
performer at any venue in Vegas with that kind of disrespect again.
That's your favorite one.
Ito naman,
Mission to make sure every entertainer
ginawa kong parang herbal oil.
perform anywhere.
So, merong dyang ano,
Are we clear?
cloves. Ang daming cloves, oh. Cloves and
Then he nodded once.
dahon ng laurel.
He sat back down,
Favorite siya lang medyo maplata.
subdued now.
May nilagay na ako, parang
Out of their evening.
may isang buwan na ganito kadami.
From the top,
Pero ngayon,
I
dinagdagan
dug you
ko
under my skin.
para magiging marami. Kasi marami akong nilagay na cloves at saka
Sam,
dahon ng
still
laurel.
in his champagne-soaked tuxedo, began singing. But something had changed. His voice was even more powerful now.
Ginamit ko dun sa paa ng anak ko, yung makatilagin yung paa niya kasi nagdadry yung paa niya.
He was singing through the
Ginamit ko sa paa niya.
through the anger,
Effective siya.
through the gratitude of having someone stand
Nawawala.
up for him when he couldn't stand up for himself.
At saka nung nagkaroon ng rashes yung anak ko dito sa tiyan niya, nilagyan ko din. Isang beses ko lang nilagyan at nawala siya.
Then Dean stepped forward
Kaya,
and addressed
you can
the
try
crowd.
also.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Wala namang
what you
mawawala
just
kung
witnessed was a man named Victor
susubukan.
DeLuca learning an
Yeah.
important lesson.
Diba?
In this room,
Diba?
on this stage, we treat each other with
So,
respect.
My
i-store ko to for 5 days para ma-incorporate yung
Talent
previous
matters.
na ano.
Character matters.
At saka yung dinagdagan ko pa yung ano, yung cloves at saka yung dahon ng laurel. Yun lang yung nilagay ko. By the way, hindi pala necessary na olive oil ang gagamitin. Any oil, kung ano yung prefer nyo. Pwedeng coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, cooking oil kung gusto nyo. Cooking oil, mura-mura. Ayan, kahit anong oil kung anong gusto nyong gamitin.